Hello everyone. Today we will solve another problem in stationary curved plate. So let us go through the question. A jet of water from a nozzle is deflected through 60° from its original direction by a curved plate which enters tangentially without shock with a velocity of 30 meter per second and leaves with a mean velocity of 25 meter per second. If the discharge from the nozzle is 0.8 kg per second, calculate magnitude and direction of resultant force on the vane if the vane is stationary. So this is the question. Here the vane is stationary. So let us write down given data first. So here initially it is given like water is entering tangentially. So here it is entering tangentially, so we can draw the figure like this. So here water is entering, a jet of water is entering this curved vane with a velocity 30 meter per second tangentially. Then here it is given the jet get deflected through 60°. So you can see this angle is always deflection angle. This angle is nothing but deflection angle. So here the jet get deflected by an angle of 60°. So if the deflection angle is more than 90°, so the shape of this curved plate will be like this. So it will be towards the other side. Since the angle is less than 60°, this deflection angle is less than, since the angle is less than 90°, so the shape of curved plate will be as shown in the figure. So you can see the water is entering tangentially with a velocity of 30 meter per second, and here the jet get deflected by an angle of 60° from the horizontal. So jet get deflected by an angle of 60°, and it leaves the plate with a velocity of 25 meter per second. So we have v1 and we have v2. So here initial velocity and final velocity are different. If the discharge from the nozzle is 0.8 kg per second, so that is nothing but, whenever we solve the problem we used to write a mass per second. So that is mass per second is equal to 0.8 kg per second. We have to calculate here the magnitude and the direction of the resultant force on the vane if the vane is stationary. So we have drawn here the vane is stationary, so it is fixed. So let us get the equation and solve this problem. So as usual we used to solve like F is equal to mass per second into initial velocity minus final velocity. So if you write for Fx, so that is mass per second into initial velocity is, we can write it as this as v1 is equal to 30 meter per second and v2 is equal to 25 meter per second. So you can write it as so it is in the direction, so it does not make any angle, so we can write it as v1 minus, and the final velocity is nothing but in the direction is v2, and you can see it makes an angle 60°. So we have to resolve this into component, so that is nothing but V2 cos 60 degree. So that is V2 cos 60 degree, and the sign, so it is in the direction of z, so it is plus here. So here V1 minus plus V2 cos 60 degree. So we have to substitute here value. So mass per second, we can substitute directly 0.8 kg per second. So V1 is nothing but this value, so that is 30 minus V2 is 25 cos 60 degree. So if we solve, we'll get answer equal to Fx is equal to 14 Newton. So similarly, we have to get the value for Fy. So Fy is mass per second. So there is no initial velocity in the y direction before striking the plate. So that is minus 0 minus, and we can resolve this component into sine value also. So V2 sine of 60 degree. So in the y direction, V2 sine 60 degree. So that is minus plus V2 sine 60 degree. So you have to substitute the value here. Mass per second is 0.80 minus V2 is 25 sine of 60 degree. So if we solve, we get Fy is equal to, so here minus sign will be there, minus 17.32 Newton. So we got here Fx and Fy. So we have to calculate here resultant force Fr is equal to square root of Fx square plus Fy square. So that is Fx is 14, Fy is minus 17.32 whole square. So we have to solve it. Fr is equal to 22.27 Newton. So here Fx we got as a positive value, so we can draw Fx is positive, so it is acting towards the right side, and Fy is negative, so we can draw it as Fy is acting downwards, and we have calculated Fx, Fy, and also we have calculated Fr. So now we have to calculate what is this direction, that is theta. So theta is equal to Fy by Fx. Tan theta direction so Fy is 17.32 divided by Fx is 14. So if you solve, you will get theta is equal to tan inverse of 17.32 divided by 14. So that is equal to 51 degree 3 minutes.